Full Stack Software and Mobile Application Development Program. Almost everything we do today is with the support of IT. From ordering a new dress to buying a television, from high-definition camera phones to facial recognition technology, from GPS navigation systems to Google self-driving cars, everything is just a click away. Information technology has turned our world upside down. IT goes beyond the internet and is now our preferred medium of everyday communication. No wonder the world of IT has expanded tremendously in the past years, making it the biggest employer of today. With the industry diversifying every day, better and more lucrative roles coming up in the IT sector, the industry is now on the lookout for skilled individuals who meet the future-ready needs of the companies. According to industry experts, scaling is extremely important for new-age career roles. Having a simple degree in IT is just not enough, and employers now seek students who know it all. Are you wondering how you can make it big in the IT industry after your graduation? Introducing C Media Postgraduate Program in Full Stack Software and Mobile Application Development Program. Who is a full stack web developer? A full stack web developer is a person who can develop both client and server software. He is a programmer who has the basic knowledge of all layers of an application. Each layer is made using different techniques needed to complete the development of an application, which is often termed stack. Given the industry requirements of today, our full stack program grants you the skill set to make you an expert in end-to-end application, helping you to become an all-round software engineering professional by granting you expertise in front-end, back-end, and mobile application development. With our program, you will become a full-stack developer who meets the changing needs of the industry with changing times. This is what makes the C Media Institute program different from other ITE programs. Students are focused on their career path from day one in a hands-on learning environment that is centered on gaining entry-level employment upon graduation. During the course of the program, students will complete many industry-related projects and develop a portfolio of those projects to showcase to potential employers. Now, let's take a look at what some of our clients, graduates, and faculty are saying about the C Media Institute experience, as well as the full stack software and mobile application development program.
Our training is more hands-on. This means students will spend a lot of time creating and interacting with real-life projects. All of us tutors are industry professionals who are actually practicing in their respective field. For example, I've been working as a developer for some years now, and I've worked on exciting projects such as Connect You, MadPlay, CM Flix, just to name a few. And I'm excited to share some of these experiences with our students. We gather students who are ripe and ready for the job market because during their studies they actually work on real-life projects. That's why most of our graduates don't find it difficult to secure a job or to start a freelance career. If you want to become a next Mark Zuckerberg or secure a job in big tech companies like Google, Microsoft, and others, C Media Institute is the place to get you ready. We have never had problems securing good jobs for our graduates in the industry. Our fees are moderate, but if you can't afford, no problem. We can train you and you pay when you get a job.
My first advice to parents and students is that before you get into any professional institution, make sure the school is well equipped with the right equipment and lecturers that are industry professionals who are actively practicing in this field. Do not only rely on your adverts because it's often exaggerated in order to attract you. Also research on how some of their graduates are fitting into the job market. My second advice to parents and students is that professional education is the best form of education in this country today because Unlike the other system of education, professional education is designed to teach students how to solve real problems in our society. If you are equipped with the practical skills to solve real problems in any society, you will never lack a job. Plus, you can easily become an entrepreneur and create jobs for yourself and others. Most employers today will only employ someone who can add real value to their businesses, and not someone with certificates in this or that. The certificates do not really matter in most sectors today if they are not backed by real skills.
Chillen Media Institute is offering advanced world-class training in cutting-edge technology of the information technology and media industry to meet up with the training for apt professionals. With this rare scholarship offer from Chillen Media Institute, it's time for every aspiring student to rush and grab this opportunity to prepare themselves for the future of Africa. You can find out more about this from www.institute.chillenmedia.com, or you can contact +237 677 291300. You can locate the institute directly behind Eta Palace Hotel, Boya, Southwest region of Cameroon. You will find Chillen Media Institute, where practicals and theory meets career.
Web development is a lucrative and thriving career path. Virtually, every business needs a website or mobile applications. Specializing in different coding languages means that no matter where you go, your expertise will be in high demand. These are some of the top positions our graduates snag after graduation. We hope that you have enjoyed your introduction to the full stack software and mobile application development program here at Chillen Media Institute. And on behalf of the faculty and staff, we look forward to seeing you on campus soon. Registration is ongoing now and chances are limited. For registration or admission into the full stack software and mobile application development program here at Chillen Media Institute, log on to www.institute.chillenmedia.com or contact us on 677-291300. For hiring our professional production team or inquiries, contact us on chillenmedia@gmail.com. Chillen Media Institute, where practicals and theory meets career.